Hello, myself Kinjal Patel. Welcome to my channel Basic of Mathematics. Today I continue to teach factorizations. This is my part 3. In part first one we take factorizations by taking common factors method. In part 2 we take identity based on square. Now in part 3 we take identity based on cube. Now in cube related we have identity first is, suppose you have a cube plus b cube. So it's factorized a plus b in second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Second identity is a cube minus b cube is a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. Your third identity is a plus b whole cube, which is equal to, in first bracket, a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab in bracket a plus b. Or you can write this identity this way also, a cube plus b cube plus, multiply this inner side. So this becomes 3a square b or 3ab square. Now fourth identity is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. You can write this identity this way also, a cube minus b cube multiply inner minus 3a square b minus minus plus 3ab square. Now see here, your first identity is whenever you have indivisible cube and in between plus, that means this two has a perfect cube. Then how you can remember this identity? In first bracket you have to write a plus b. Whenever here plus, you should be write plus. Whenever you have minus, here write minus. Now second, in square, second bracket square, first and last term both is positive. So this is plus a square, this is plus b square, this is plus a square, this is plus a square. Now, whenever here plus, in second bracket write minus, whenever here minus, in second bracket write plus. You can remember this way. A cube plus b cube is equal to first bracket in between plus, in second bracket a square and b square लिख दो. Then here is plus, then you have to write minus, product of given two term. Now for minus, in first bracket you have to write whatever sign a minus b, then square of first and square of second right here, and both has a positive sign, and in between write plus, product of ab. Now whenever you have a plus b whole cube, how you can remember? First cube plus second cube, that means a cube plus b cube, then plus 3 times product of this, and again its product with respect to a plus b. That means a cube plus b cube plus 3 times a into b in bracket a plus b. You can remember this way easily. Now split this, so you get this formula. Now this a minus b whole cube. So a cube minus b cube minus 3 times product of these two, and bracket may write a minus b. You can remember this way. If you expand these, you get this thing. Now we take example based on these 4 identity. One more identity is also in cube is fifth. If you have a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 times abc, its expanded form is a plus b plus c, and second bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. Now we consider one by one example based on these all identities. First we consider, suppose you want to find 27x cube plus 1000 y cube. Now you want to find its factorized. So how we can find? This is cube, so you have to think. Definitely cube identity is applicable here. Now 27 is a cube of 3. So you have to write this is 3 cube, this is x cube. Now 1000 is a cube of 10. So you have to write here 10 cube and this is y cube. Now according to our power rules, this is converted 3x whole cube and this is converted 10y whole cube. Now apply identity a cube plus b cube. So you have to write in first bracket in between whatever sign here. So 3x plus 10y. Now in second bracket you have to write first square. So you have to write 3x square plus second square. Second is 10y square. Now if here plus, you should be write here minus sign and product of these two. So 3x into 10y. You can remember this way easily. Now expand this 3x plus 10y. In second bracket, remove bracket 3x square. So 3 square x square. So 9x square minus 3 times are 30xy plus 10 square y square. That means 100y square. This is the expanded form or factorized of this thing. Now, if he instead of plus, here minus. So, if you have here minus sign, you should be write here minus, and here is plus. So, same example for minus. Now, we consider second example based on this identity, whole cube. Now, suppose you have suppose 3x plus 2y whole cube. This is for individual cube and this is for whole cube. So how you can this expand? 3x plus 2y whole cube. So first plus second whole cube. So first cube plus second cube plus 3 times first second in bracket whatever your operation here plus. So you have to write first is 3x, second is 2y. First is 3x, second is 2y. Here you have to write first is 3x, second is 2y. Now 3x whole raised to 3. So 3 raised to 3 matlab 3 multiply 3 times. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So you can write 27x raised to 3 plus 2 raised to 3. 2 multiply 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 by cube. Now 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. 18xy in bracket 3x plus 2y. Now remove this bracket. So you got 27x cube plus 8y cube plus 18 3s are 54. X into x, x square, y plus 18 2s are 36. xy into y, xy square. Now same example if for minus. So you have to write here minus sign, here minus, here minus, here minus. And whenever you remove bracket, this is also definitely minus. This become a minus plus minus and then minus in next form. Sorry. Here is minus, here is minus, here is also minus. And whenever you remove bracket, here minus as it is, this minus plus minus and this minus plus become. Now same example for minus you can do this way. Now we consider its converse example. Suppose you have 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Now, how you can decide which identity is related? So here, everywhere plus sign and definitely in between plus sign. So you think about its cube identity related to plus. Now 8a cube, 8 is a cube of 2. So you can write this is this way. 8a cube, that means 8 is a cube of 2. So 2 cube, a cube. This is b cube. Now this is, you should be write as it is. Now arrange this whole step according to our identity. 2a whole cube, b whole cube. Now you write this is this way. 3 times first, second. So your first is 2a, second is b. And in bracket you should be write 2a plus b. Now check. 3 2s are 6. This is 6ab. And multiply here. 6 2s are 12, ab into 8 square b. 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6, ab into b, ab square. So you just represent these two steps this way, because we want to convert this form in suitable our identity. So which identity is suitable here? A cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab bracket a plus b. So now this is which identity? 2a plus b whole cube. This is converse form of its expanded. Now fourth. Suppose we have 64x cube minus 27y cube minus 144x square y plus 108xy square. Now this is cube and in between minus. So here you should be adjust its identity a minus b whole cube. So 64 is a cube of 4. So 4 cube. This is x cube. 27 is a cube of 3. So 3 cube y cube. You should write this step as it is. Now this is, you can write 4x whole cube. This is 3y whole cube. Now, how we can write here steps? We know a cube minus b cube minus 3 times ab bracket a minus b. So you have to write minus 3 times first, second in bracket first minus second. So your first step is 4x, second step is 3y. So you have to write 4x minus 3y. Now cross check. Cross check must be required. 3 4s are 12 and 12 3s are 36. So this become a 36xy. Now check. Minus plus minus. 36 into 4 become a 144. xy into x square y. So this step is our right. Minus minus plus. Yes, there is a plus. 36 into 3 become a 108. xy into y become a xy square. Now this is expanded form of which identity? A cube minus b cube minus 3 times ab in bracket a minus b. So this is your identity 4x minus 3y whole cube. Now we consider example based on this identity, fifth identity. Now, whenever you have two cube term, then you think about this all identity. Now here you have 3 term has cube and third term is minus something of first, second and third term. So you think about this identity. So first, second and third term become a perfect cube. So this is 27 is a 3 cube. This is x cube. This is y cube and this is z cube. You should be write this step as it is. Now this become a 3x whole cube. This become a y whole cube. This become a z whole cube. Now you convert this according to our identities. So our identity is minus 3 times ab. So you can write this is minus 3 times first, second and third. So your first is 3x. Second is y and third is z. So this is the a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 times a b c. देखो 3 3s are 9 x y z. Now you can apply here which identity? This identity. So its expanded form is, in first bracket you have to write these 3 terms in between plus sign as it is. So 3x plus y plus z. In second bracket you should be write individual square and write plus sign. So first square plus second square plus third square. Then step minus first second minus second third minus third first. So how you can write? First is 3x, second is y, third is z. First is 3x, second is y, second is y, third is z. Third is z, first is 3x. Now this become a 3x minus plus y plus z. Now remove inner bracket. 3x square, that means 3 square x square. So 3 square is a 9. Now this is a y square z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. So this is your answer, expanded form of this. Now how you can decide easily? So you have to arrange according to our question which identity is suitable. Then you can easily